priesthood is restored, the truth made known to man, that God has spoken to the earth. His power is here again. Hi, thanks for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking here, and then here's a related video. And over here, it'll take you straight to primarychoristers.com, where by far is the best place to get all of my content, and the videos there are easy to search for and really organized. So make sure to check that out. And we also have a Facebook group, Primary Choristers Facebook group. So go check that out as well, because we go live and do trainings and answer questions and things like that. So thank you.